Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2014 Dacia Sandero Stepway. So this is the MPV style supercar, one we sold 5 years ago to the last owner, just under 69,000 miles on the clock now. But let's have a look around it. So as I say, very nice car, finished in the black metallic paintwork, and the paintwork's very nice on the car. Silver detailing on the exterior of these just adds to that nice overall look. Got the roof bars and the nice flush fitting wheel trims. Taking a look down the side of the car, very nice throughout, free from trolley dent. Any little marks, they will be gone round if there is any, but what a lovely example. Everything about it just shows the car's been really well cared for. As I say, we did sell it 5 years ago, and the part exchange back in again for another new car with us. Both sides are in very nice order throughout. All the wheels and the tyres are all in nice condition. This one's got 2 keys as well, so very nice car. Now powered by the 1.5 diesel engine. Now this car's capable of over 60 miles to the gallon. Very nice to drive. I do like driving these. They're a small car but have a big car feel. So 69,686 miles as we're in here now. Got the radio CD with Bluetooth capability. The interior is in lovely order, not smoked in, no tears, cigarette burns or anything on the dashboard, seats. All the carpets are lovely throughout. Everything about it is in really nice condition. In the rear of the vehicle, that is also in lovely order. All the seats again are in wonderful condition. We've got Isofix there as well. But what a wonderful car. I don't think anybody would be disappointed in that as an overall package. So if you'd like to reserve it, give us a call. We can take a deposit on it, get it ready, so you only need to visit us once in Wigan. All the cars are HPI clear. This car will come fully serviced to you with a fresh MOT and a 6 months guarantee. How good's that? So, all the books are there, 2 keys are there. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call. We can give you a price over the phone. As I say, if you want to reserve it over the phone with us, not an issue, we can do that. But as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.